Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a room tour video since I recently redecorated my room. I didn't get to film any clips of what my room looked like before the transformation, but here's a quick TikTok showing you a before and after. So yeah, let's get started with the room tour. I have my desk here. I have two beds because I used to share a room with my cousin, and after she moved out we just left the bed there. I have a bookshelf there, drawers I have a window, and this is actually my closet, which I don't really want to show because it's kind of messy. And then on the side of the door I have a bunch of hooks where I hang my jackets and purses. So over here I have my desk. I used different sized jars with fake flowers to decorate the top shelf, and I have my clock over there. These are just like stationery and like paintings and stuff that I have. I have a calendar. I have like my washi tapes in that little jar. I decorated the desk with Polaroids and made like a mini Polaroid wall, and I strung like string lights around the border. In the corner I have my Crayola super tip markers, again in the little glass jars. I have this lamp that I've had forever. Brush pens. This mirror is the same one from my dorm, and this is also the same one from my dorm. They're like acrylic drawers from Amazon, and I use it to store basically all of my pens. And then in this I have all my journals, some stickers, some more brush pens, and yeah, that's basically what's on top of the desk. Moving on, right next to my desk is one of the beds. These are from Target. It's the same wall decor that I had in my dorm. This one is a whiteboard. There's a cork board and a wire grid, which I like to hang my earrings on. And then above the bed I have fake flowers that I put in test tubes. Got those fake flowers from Michael's. I actually have some footage of me making this. I'll edit it right now. So I saw this TikTok where this girl makes like wall decor using these giant test tubes and then like putting flowers in them. So I ordered these on Amazon a couple days ago and they came the next day. And my plan is to stick them onto the wall using command strips and then sticking these fake flowers. Right now what I'm doing is taking them apart. I'm gonna use these are like garden scissors. It's easier said than done. That guy got him to live through, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me, but now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day. It's easier said than done. This is the bed that I usually sleep on. I have the same bedding. This is from Marshall's, I think, and it came with the square pillow and then the pillow covers. I mean, there's not really that much to show. Moving on to the bookshelf. At the top, I just have yearbooks, more journals and books stacked over there. I have this fake plant, and this one is from Michael's, and this one is from Target. And then in the middle I have these brown baskets. I have no idea where these are from. These are from my mom, but I just have like some makeup stuff. I have this cup that I made last year, and just like random things like this remote that actually turns on the light. I don't know if you can see. On the next shelf I have just more folders and empty notebooks. I usually keep my laptop here, my iPad, my phone, and like vitamins. And then in this one I have all like my Polaroid stuff and chargers, just yeah, all like the electronic stuff. The last thing I wanted to show was what's on top of my dresser. So I have that piece that my mom made. I have this jewelry tree where I hang all my earrings. I have like a necklace, bracelets, and then I keep all my makeup on top of my dresser just because it's right next to the mirror and I do my makeup in front of the mirror. This container has all of my lip products. This one has like sponges, brushes. These are the things I use every day. More brushes, eyeshadow palette. This container is from Marshall's. And then I have a letter board, which I got from my friend. I have a candle, and then more fake flowers, which are from those up there. And yeah, that's basically it for my room. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I feel like with the white sheets and like having everything just more organized, my room feels a lot brighter. So yeah. I kind of ended the video super abruptly, so I just wanted to come on here and say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Bye!